Hi, this is a tutorial for the Class Reports tool in Argos. The Class Report provides a complete roster of a class or classes. The Class Reports is located in the Academics folder and then in the aptly named Class Reports subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard with many different options. The first thing to note is the term is selected for the current term. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select a future term of fall 2019. Once the term is selected, you have several different options on how to search for a class roster. The most direct is using the CRN, but we'll come back to that later. You can select a course code through the subject, followed by a course number, and followed by any sections. You can also search for all the courses within a department if you enter your department's abbreviation. There are also other parameters that can be used by selecting the part of term, the days, the remaining seats, etc. If I click on the search, it shows the list of all the courses within the department. You can select multiple courses by either shift clicking for a range or control clicking to select multiple courses at one at a time. For this particular tutorial, we're going to focus on entering particular CRNs. Once we reset the form and select the correct term again, we can click on the CRN field title. This will bring up a new dialog box where we can type in multiple CRNs. We can then enter the CRNs of interest and then click the back button, followed by the search button, and the courses of interest appear, and we can select both of them by control clicking. Before moving on to this final stage of the report, we need to be sure that we are going to get the information of the desired student population: registered, audited, withdrawn, or dropped. As you click on the report options, the total number of students will automatically change. The default options are registered and audited, but there may be reasons you want to know who withdrew or dropped a course. To generate the roster report, you can select on one of the three options. Each of them provides information, but the one that provides the most information is student contact list per course. This report generates a roster of students that met the search criteria along with their directory information. In the web viewer version of Argos, you can select the gear in the lower right corner and choose Export All to CSV. This will download a file that you can then share with anyone who needs to contact those students. Although there are many possibilities for the class reports, the main purpose has been to generate a contact list of students before canceling a class. That way we can reach out to students to let them know that their class is about to be canceled. I hope you find this useful,